doggy. What's going on, beautiful people? I hope and pray that you all are just doing phenomenally well. So on this video, I want to talk with you and I want to share with you 3 reasons why trying to be perfect will cost you deals in 2026. Okay. And I'm going to cut right to the chase, excuse me. Number 1, when it comes to trying to be perfect, perfection actually creates paralysis. Most beginners aren't stuck because they lack information. They're stuck because they're waiting to feel ready, right? People don't want perfect scripts. People don't need perfect scripts. People don't need perfect comps, okay? Deals don't come from perfection. They come from movement, all right? Confidence isn't something that you can think your way into. It's something that you earn in the doing. Am I making sense here? Right? Clarity comes from action. If you don't start taking the action, or let me rephrase this, you don't get the confidence before doing the reps. Am I making sense? You get the confidence because of the reps, period. Every deal I've ever closed came after imperfect conversations, imperfect numbers, imperfect timing, right? But I took action, right? Number 2, sellers don't need perfection, they need leadership, right? Trying to be perfect makes you sound unsure. Sellers respond to certainty, not perfection, right? Sellers aren't looking for the perfect real estate investor. They're looking for somebody who can listen to them, who can lead them out of their situation and give them a peace of mind that they can get through this. When you hesitate, when you over explain and you backtrack, you actually start to lose trust. Just know that a shaky cowboy doesn't lead cattle, right? You don't need to know everything. You just need to be steady, right? So you don't need that exact ARV to start a conversation. You don't need the perfect answer. You just need the right steps and start. And then lastly, perfection is the enemy of paid, right? What I mean by this is this market rewards speed and consistency, okay? Not mastery before action. While you're trying to get perfect or be perfect, someone else is already making offers. While you're double checking your comps, someone else is already locking up the deal. Most deals don't die from bad numbers. They die from indecisions. Perfect doesn't get you paid. Progress does. Okay. So I need you to make the offers, have the conversations, submit the deals, and follow up. All right. If you're waiting to be perfect, you'll stay broke. If you're willing to be coachable, consistent, and courageous, this business, I promise you, will change your life. So don't fall into these 3 traps. And I just wanted to hop on here, do a quick word of encouragement for y'all. If this was powerful, let me know in the comments below. I'll see y'all on the next one.